Yanuti waltane guman kenyas baha Takuma umada sabaho waltaha Yanuti waltane guman kenyas baha Walaga fi arbale fi harari Iluba bora jimaba jifari Walaga fi arsi bale fi harari Iluba bora jimaba jifari والقوت هاتفنو Oromo tokicha Kuta warramata wallo shawajacha والقوت هاتفنو Oromo tokicha Atawal okodun dinaka rabana yotokom nekofa Adawi mohana Atawal okodun dinaka rabana yotokom nekofa Adawi mohana Takuma umada sabaho waltaha Yanuti waltane guman kenyas baha Takuma umada sabaho waltaha Yanuti waltane guman kenyas baha Gara wal madesun buato confido maka wal turesun Hamtu walin jaja gara wal madesun buato confido maka wal turesun Nu oba leyani harki harkanyatu Takuma ha umnu adawin hanatu Nu oba leyani harki harkanyatu Takuma ha umnu adawin hanatu Takuma umada sabaho waltaha Yanuti waltane guman kenyas baha Takuma umada sabaho waltaha Yanuti waltane guman kenyas baha Oromo dinada chinaka Osorotin dule nasuko fambaka Takuman Oromo dinada chinaka Osorotin dule nasuko fambaka Fagono kanditu biliso muntenya Tokuma ekati yalpan Oromia Fagono kanditu biliso muntenya Tokuma ekati yalman Oromia
Alaba Oromo, isi tudukana, Uyasi na bande, kamu marabana. Alaba Oromo, isi tudukana, Uyasi na bande, kamu marabana. Uyasi na bande, kamu marabana.
What we believe, especially when it comes to Oromo and our people and our struggle, is that we need to stand up together as one. We need to stand up as a people. We need to stand up as a unit. That's the thing we believe, and that's the thing that we stand for. So when we talk in the music, when we say ni bilisomna, ni khana, ni olkhana, ni lalu shayuna, when we talk about these things, what we mean is that our people, the only way we're gonna find bilisomna is when we get together and connect together. And that's the only thing we want to represent. So we speak it to the music. I've been doing music for a lot of years. Skander's been doing the same. But when we met each other, it just brought us together because he has the understanding of back home and I have an understanding of the people over here. So we put that together to bring all our people together, Abba, Fijole, they can sit together, and that's basically what we do to the music and that's what we represent.
When George Rate, Namu Yanisa Dad, Amo, Enyumanche, Gutakalesanakamu, Enyumanche, Mataheti. Iti bonu kabda, iti like iti besu kabda. And waninin yadu jole afan Oromo kha mbeni fiyo kha so bihan isan le tatu mbeni isanu dafu akagarte baratanii yookaan ammoo dhaabbaan isaanii illee karaa bareedaa irra kaa'anii akka qacaralchan yoo dandeenye afaan qaraa'essuu fi qubee afaan oromootiif kana qaraa'essuu yookaan ammoo aadaa isaanii barsiisuu haadha abbaarra jira. Ijoolleen akkasumatti hiriyaa yoo ta'an namni hundinuu aadaa fi baruu qaba. Namni hundinuu aadaa fi ni beeka. Manni farangiitis aadaa isaanii ni beekan. So tanumaan jaa.
The number one message I want to say, and that I truly believe in my heart, because I've been here since I was 2 years old. I grew up around Canadians, Americans my whole life. And the only time people respect you is when you respect yourself. When you know yourself and you know your people, that's when somebody respects you. When you try to be like somebody else, we can grow up here, I've been here since I was a baby. But if you're trying to be like somebody else, nobody shows you respect. When you know who you are and where you come from, that's when you can be somebody in this life. So that's why I believe, like I've been following this life over here since I was a kid and it never did nothing for me. The people that I grew up with, they don't care for you. But when you speak for your people, you speak for your land, you speak for your blood, that's when you get respect in this world. And believe me, even the ones that don't like you, they respect you. You know, and that's the message that I can speak of. You know, that's the thing that I believe. You have to know who you are. If beku kabda.
Mata dure khanutau shanyuma fi kusuma fi biyuma kanarati hundoeneti basne enini sport kama saati ngara Englishin anis afan Oromotin. Okay. Malja Oromiyan biyatenya atenya behi Oromummaa diga khenya lafetenya behi والفقيسون والهميسون هما فيدو بيخ والجبيسي والبربادي خيتو ماتو خيتيجا هلالو شنيما هلالو كسوما هلالو بيوما والنفين موتا كمان خمبربان بلسوما جاء النساء.
As I walk through the shadows of life, at the age of 17, I happen to write. Over the years, in me grew a passionate light. I got words of wisdom. My family, I want to be with. Never get to see them, but I desperately miss them. Music is my heart, so that's the part I give them. What hurts me inside is that you'd rather choose a tribe. You say you want freedom, but that's a lie. Did you forget about the ones that died? Why do you live? Man, you need to start thinking for your kids. God blesses those that respect each other. So throughout all the mayhem, you're still my brother. One love.
Young generation Julen Tenya. Wanni nuti isaan dhaamni yoo jiraate Oromoon takka Oromoon ilmaan abbaa takka ilmaan haadha takkaatti akka beekanamu Oromoon hin qoodamtu namu amantii fi kutaa fi kana durra kaasee aadaa abbootiin keenya wallisaa baan ammoo namu haqa walitti himuu dhabame so haqa yoo walii himne Oromoon takkuma jecha nama agartee
different things we don't understand. Maybe there's some things I don't understand back home, but I do know one thing. Everybody else bilisuma. Everybody, whether you over here, you all want the same thing. So let's find a way to bring ourselves together and get what we want. The things that Abba Kenya, fi Akaku Kenya, all our grandma they died for, that's the thing we're looking for today, you know? And that doesn't come from splitting each other up and becoming strong individually. When we come together, that's the only way we become strong. Always up. Oh, sure. Okay. Always.
Oromiyan biyatenya hadatenya behi Oromummaan diga khenya lafetenya behi والفقيسون والهميسون همان فيدو behi والفقيسي والبربادي خيتما تخيتين إلا لو شنيما إلا لو قسما إلا لو بيوما ونفينو توكما خمبربانو بينسوما ونفينو توكما خمبربانو بينسوما. Yo, it's like a dream, the country that I never seen. I die for you. Oromia, I die for you. I'm loyal, but never seen my soul you. Writing's my life, so please let me rhyme for you. No one man could bring a change. It takes a unity of people that be feeling the same. My blood boils for those that be living in vain. I want the whole world speaking my name. Something about the fame that I can't explain. Thoughts in my brain, thinking we could bring a new day.
day. To all the mayhem, freedom to our great land.
Oromiyan biyya teenya haadha teenya beeki Oromummaan dhiiga keenya lafee teenya beeki wal fageessuun wal ammeessuun humaan fidduu beeki wal jabeessi wal barbaadi keetumaa tukeetii ilaallu shanyummaa ilaallu gosummaa ilaallu biyyummaa wanni feenu tokkummaa kan barbaannu bilisummaa Oromiyaa. Haa galatoomaa hedduu si galatoofannaa.
Oromummaa up, diiga keenya.
You already know.